How to zoom in Photoshop. Let's get into it. There are a few ways that you can zoom in Photoshop. I'll walk you through all the different options. Option number one is down here in the left corner. You'll see this percentage here. This indicates your zoom. So say for example, I want to change this to 100%. You just highlight it and type in 100. That is going to zoom your image to 100. If you then want to zoom out, one cool shortcut that you can use is Command or Control 0 on your keyboard. That is going to snap your zoom to the size of your image. Another way that you can zoom in and out is by coming over to this zoom tool here, and this will change your cursor into a zoom. If you click and move it to the right, it will zoom in. If you click and move it to the left, it will zoom out. Another way that you can zoom in and out in Photoshop is by pressing Command or Control on your keyboard and then the plus and the minus keys on your keyboard. So those are a few ways that you can zoom in and out in Photoshop, and that's all there is to it.